Hey guys, I wanted to show you something really cool that I found today on Google Earth. If you've never been on Google Earth, or maybe even never heard of it, it's really cool. I believe you go earth.google.com, and that should work to get you there. So it's earth.google.com. As you can see, you click. All right, it says the world's most detailed globe. So it's basically an interactive globe with satellite imagery. In other words, images that have been taken by satellites from outer space. So you can see here it says overview, Earth versions, resources, more from Earth. You can explore this if you want later, but for now we're just going to click here where it says Launch Earth. And it'll pop up a new tab for you. All right, so here we are in Google Earth. I'm using my two fingers to zoom out. All right, you see this? You can kind of like click and drag. This is the North Pole where the ice is, so that should be at the top of the Earth. Can even zoom out more to see satellite imagery with clouds. But this is what I wanted to show you. So over here you have search, Voyager, I'm feeling lucky, projects, map style, and this is what I wanted to show you today. So it says measure distance and area. So let's say we want to do measure distance and area. Well, first we want to select a starting point. So let's actually click out of here. Let's first find Chicago. Oh, we could even go to Newfield. Let's do Newfield. Newfield Elementary School, West Morse Avenue. All right, very cool. So it's kind of spinning. It'll stop spinning in a minute. We can like zoom in. Okay. And now you can see this is Newfield Elementary School. Now click on the ruler, measure distance and area. So select a starting point. Let's see how long Newfield Elementary School is. So I'm going to click here. And then I'm going to go all the way to the end of the building. And then I don't want it in meters. I want it in feet. So I'm going to click here, feet. So Newfield Elementary School is 334 feet long. Now, if I want to find the area, I have to create a shape around the building. So I'm going to go ahead and create a shape around the building. I close the shape. And now it gives me the perimeter or the distance around the outside of the shape, but it also gives me the area inside the shape. So the area of Newfield Elementary School is 5,570.27 meters square. Now I want it in, let's do square feet instead. Ooh, 59,958 square feet. You know those little tiles on the floor in the school? Those are 1 square foot. So if you imagine those little tiles, they're a foot on each side. That's 1 square foot. 59,958 of those little squares would fit in the space that's inside this shape. And the perimeter is 1,027 feet. So if you were to walk all the way around the outside of this shape, you would walk 1,027 feet. Let's see in miles. In miles, that's 0.19 miles, and that's less than a mile. It's about a fifth, 1/5 of a mile. And then let's check square miles. Okay, so the miles, it's 0 miles square. So let's see if we can find a shape that has miles. So let's check and see if we were to go like this. Oh, so Newfield is far away, but we can see Warren Park over here. Let's go into the lake and then like Maybe this way. This way. This way. Let's see what all this is. So this is 6.02 square miles. So this is about 6 square miles. And the perimeter is 13 miles. So if you were to walk all this, you'd have to swim a little, but you would walk 13 miles. Let's do another one. Let's see if we can get 1 square mile. So this is 1 mile, just about 1.02 miles. It's hard to get it perfectly on 1 mile. There it was, but 1 mile. Now I have 2 miles. 3 miles. And 4 miles. So just to imagine what a square mile looks like from space. A square mile looks like this. Let's see what can be found inside this square mile. So a square mile looks like on each side there's like 2 city blocks. So if you were to walk around like it looks like 2 long blocks, yeah. If you were to walk around 2 long blocks and then another 2 going the other way, and then another 2 and 2, you would have walked 4 miles, and the area inside is 1 square mile. I thought this was kind of a fun little math tool to use. So if you find yourself bored and you want to kind of play around, Google Earth is pretty fun. And that's all. Let me know if you use this and what you think of it.